Hello students, warm welcome to everyone. Now in this module we are going to discuss 6th chapter in our CBSE curriculum, that is triangles, and this is according to board examination point of view. This is a very important chapter, and if you lose marks from this chapter, then definitely you cannot score A1 grade, or you cannot get whatever the percentage that you want. So that please be focused in order to solve every single problem and behind the logic that I am going to use, right? So coming to one more problems, they are very short on step questions. See the first problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. I am going to draw one isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. For example, this is A, this is B, and this is C. AC is equal to BC, so AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC and AB square is equal to 2AC square and AB square is equal to 2AC square, right? So I can write this one as AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Can I write like that? Okay. Which is equal to AC square plus one more AC square. Instead of AC, can I write BC? Yes. So BC square is equal to AB square. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. What do you mean by that? Square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Then, according to the converse of Pythagoras theorem, then the angle opposite to the greatest side is a right angle. So what is the greatest side here? AB is the greatest side. Then what is angle opposite to greatest side? Angle opposite to AB is C. So this angle is going to be right angle. That is what is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. I repeat, according to converse of Pythagoras theorem, if the sum of squares of two sides of a triangle is equal to square on the longest side, then the angle opposite to the longest side is a right angle. So the longest side is AB, then the angle opposite to AB is C, that is equal to 90 degrees. Clear? So what can you infer about angle C? Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Right? Moving on to the next problem. In this figure, DE is parallel to BC. So DE parallel to BC. Then immediately you should think about two things. What are those two things? Basic proportionality theorem as well as similarity criterion. Okay? So find the length of side AD. So AD is not given, such that AE is equal to 1.8. and BD is equal to 7.2 and EC is equal to 5.4. So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is what? Basic proportionality theorem. Then DE is parallel to BC. We can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC by basic proportionality theorem. We do not know what is AD. Divided by DB. What is DB here? DB is 7.2 is equal to AE is going to be 1.8 divided by EC is equal to 5.4. So in order to simplify this, first let us try to remove the decimal. See here, AD by 7.2, right? So when you remove the decimal, that would be 72 by 10. That 10 goes to the numerator. So that is 10 into 72 is equal to 1.8 and 5.4 in both numerator and denominator. After decimal you have only one digit, so that directly you can remove the decimal. Am I clear? Now see the cancellation. 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54, and 3 ones are 3, 3 how much are 72, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. Okay, so now this is 10 AD by 24 is equal to 1. So then 10 AD is equal to 24. Therefore AD is equal to how much? 24 divided by 10, which is going to be 2.4. So therefore AD is going to be 2.4. So that way we can answer that easily. So in the figure, angle A is 90 degrees, angle B is also 90 degrees, OB is equal to 4.5, OA is equal to 6. and AP is equal to 4, find QB. I am going to draw it separately. Okay. See, this is what is the figure given. Right. this is A and this is B, both are right angles. So this is right angle and this is right angle. Okay, and this is a point O and this is Q and this is P. What is the information given here? Angle A equal to 90, angle B 90, OB is equal to 4.5. So this is OB, right? Is going to be 4.5 and OA is equal to 6. OA is equal to 6. AP is equal to 4. Where is that AP? AP is equal to 4 centimeters. Then what is QB? See what kind of triangles both of them are. Both of them are right angle triangles. And of course, these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. And right angle is equal to right angle. Can we say these two triangles are similar triangles? Of course, they are similar triangles because right angle equal to right angle. This angle is equal to this angle. By A similarity, these two triangles are right angle. Right angle triangles are similar. So in which direction those two triangles are similar? I go by AOP. So triangle AOP similar to triangle. Angle A is 90. In this triangle, angle B is 90. O is equal to O and the other angle is going to be Q. Since these two triangles are similar, then by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles, we can say that AO by BO, first side by first side, equal to second side by second side, that is OP by OQ, is equal to third side by third side, that is going to be AP by BQ. Clear? What is AO? AO is equal to 6 divided by BO is equal to 4.5, which is equal to OP by OQ, we do not know, OP by OQ is equal to AP. AP is going to be 4 divided by BQ. I do not know what is BQ, let it be X. Am I clear? Now see, in this particular equation, there are three terms which are equal. In order to get the value of X, I am going to equate both of them, right? But before I equate both of them, I will try to remove the decimal. 6 by 4.5. How do you write 6 by 4.5? 60 by 45. Correct? Which is equal to 4 divided by X. Now see the cancellation. 4 1s are 4, 4 15s are 60, 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So by cross multiplication, X into 1 equal to X is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of X is equal to 3. What is that X? QB is equal to 3. So this way, using similarity criteria, we can answer the problem easily. In the figure, PQ is a line parallel to MN. So these two are parallel. KP by PM is equal to 4 by 3. KP by PM is equal to 4 by 3. KN is equal to, what is that? This total one, KN is equal to 20.4. Find the value of KQ. I am going to draw it separately once again. Okay. So in this triangle, KMN, this is K, this is M and this is N. PQ is a line drawn parallel to MN. So these two are parallel, it was already given. See, PQ parallel to MN. KP by PM is equal to 4 by 13. KP by PM is equal to 4 by 13 means, let us say this is 4x and this is 13x. And Kn is equal to 20.4. So Kn is equal to, this is 20.4. Then what do you want? Find the value of KQ. KQ is equal to this one. This is how much? Okay. So now, if this is X and this is totally 20.4, then we can understand one thing by this is like X something Y, because we already X now. So according to the basic proportionality theorem, Kp by Pm is equal to Kq by Qm. Otherwise, Kp by Km is equal to Kq by Kn. Got my point? Kp by Km is equal to Kq divided by Kn. Kq divided by Kn. So now Kp is equal to 4x divided by Km is equal to 4 plus 13 is equal to how much? 17x is equal to KQ, I do not know, let it be Y, divided by Kn, which is equal to 20.4. 20.4. Now I am going to cancel this x and x. 4 divided by 17 is equal to 20.4. I am going to remove the decimal. It would be 204 divided by 10. The 10 goes to the numerator, that is 10y divided by 204. Okay. Now I can cancel 17 ones and 17 ones are 17. 34, 17 twos are 34. Am I clear? Now do the cross multiplication. 4 12s are 36 is equal to 1 into 10y is 10y. Therefore, the value of y is going to be 36 divided by 10 is going to be 3.6. Therefore, the value of kq is equal to 3.6. Hope you understand? Right. Coming to the next problem. Are two triangles with equal corresponding sides always similar? Two triangles. I am going to take two triangles. This is one triangle. Let us name this triangle ABC. And another triangle. This is one more triangle. Let it be some PQR. Okay. So are two triangles. These two are two triangles with equal corresponding sides. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. And this side is equal to this side. Equal sides are always similar or not? Are these two triangles congruent? Yes, they are congruent by yes, congruence. If two triangles are congruent, then those two triangles are always similar. So we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR always. Your answer is yes, they are always similar. Because if two triangles are congruent, they are always similar. If two triangles are similar, they may not be congruent. Got my point? Right. Next, in triangle, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and 2AB is equal to DE, 2AB is equal to DE, and BC is equal to 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeters. Find EF. EF is equal to how much? Okay, fine. See, these two triangles are similar. Since two triangles are similar, then we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. It means AB by first side, that is DE, is equal to second side by second side, that is BC divided by EF. Of course, third side also equal, but we are not talking about third side. So instead of DE, we can write 2AB. So AB is AB divided by D is equal to 2AB, which is equal to BC is given as 8 divided by EF is equal to X. See, AB gets cancelled, AB1s and AB1s. By cross multiplication, X into 1 equal to X, which is equal to 2 8s are 16. Therefore, EF is equal to 16. See how easily we got the answer? Right. Coming to the next problem. In triangle ABC, if X and Y are points on AB and AC respectively such that, I am drawing a triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC such that X and Y are points on AB and AC. For example, this is a point on on AB. This is point Y on AC. Such that AX by XB is equal to 3 by 4. Let us suppose this is 3K by 4K, means 3K and 4K. AY is equal to 5. So this is 5. And then YC is equal to 9. YC is equal to 9. Then state whether XY is parallel to BC or not. See, according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, AX by XB is equal to AY by YC. Then XY is said to be parallel to BC. Let us check whether AX by XB is equal to 3 by 4 and AY by YC is equal to 5 by 9. Are these two equal? They are not equal. Since they are not equal, we can say that XY is not parallel to BC. Because if AX by XB is equal to AY by YC, then only we can say that XY is parallel to BC by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. But these two are not equal, therefore they are not parallel. Coming to the next problem. In the given figure DE parallel to BC, then find the value of EC. Where is that EC? So this is what EC. This is just similar to the previous problem. DE is parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem you can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Right? So AD is 1.5, DB is equal to 3. So 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to AE by EC, that is 1 divided by EC. 1 by EC. Now you see, you can cancel here 1.5 ones, 1.5 twos are 3. By cross multiplication, EC into 1 equal to EC, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of EC is equal to 2. Coming to the next one, in the given figure, what is the value of X? So where that X is located, this is what is X. See here, this angle is 46, this angle also 46, and K is common angle for both the two triangles. Therefore, triangle KNP, triangle KNP is similar to triangle KML. Triangle KML. See here, these two triangles are similar because this is 46, this is also 46. So by by CPST, PN by LM is equal to what is the information given here? So no more information is given. In the given figure, the value of X is what? So this is 46, this is also 46. That is X, that is A. Some other information should be required in order to answer this problem, because X and A both are proportional. X is equal to some constant into A. So where that constant can be any real number. So according to the problem, we can give only this information. Okay? Because we do not know about any other side of the triangle. Fine? Right. Moving on to the next one. Here the area of right angle triangle is 40 square centimeters. Let me draw one right angle triangle here. This is one right angle triangle at, for example, B, and this is A and this is C. Okay? Let us suppose the sides are small a, small c, small b. Area of right angle triangle is nothing but half into base into corresponding altitude. That is what area is equal to half into product of perpendicular sides AC, which is given as 40 centimeters. Then we can say that AC is equal to how much? 2 40s are 80. This is one information. And its perimeter is 40 centimeters. What is perimeter? A plus B plus C is equal to how much? A plus B plus C is equal to 40. So this is one information. And what is again? Again, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say that hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So B square is equal to A square plus C square. This is one more information is given. So you will have to find out the length of the hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse is nothing but the value of B is how much. So how to get the value of B? Where B square is equal to A square plus C square, right? From this, A plus B plus C is equal to 40. What am I supposed to do here? I am taking the first equation, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 40. From this, B is equal to 40 minus A minus C. B square is equal to 40 minus A minus C whole square. Am I clear? And now, B square is equal to 40 minus A minus C whole square is in the form of A minus A plus B plus C whole square, of course. But B square is nothing but A square plus C square is equal to, now it is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. So what is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square? A square, 40 square is equal to 1600 plus A square plus C square minus, because plus 2AB, right? 2 into A into B is negative, so minus 2 into 40 is equal to 80A plus 2BC, 2 into AC is equal to 2AC plus 2BC, 2CA. CA is nothing but C into 40. So that is minus 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So minus 80C. See here, A square, C square, A square, C square gets cancelled. Finally, you left with 0 is equal to, this is 1600. Right? minus 80a minus 80c is going to be minus 80 times a plus c plus 2ac is equal to 0. Now you have some information here. That information is like 1600 minus 80 times, what is a plus c? Do you know what is the value of a plus c? A plus c is going to be, see, a plus c is equal to 40 minus b. So 40 minus b plus 2ac, 2 into ac is going to be 80 is equal to 0 was already there. So 0 is equal to 1600 minus 8 fours are 32, 2 zeros, minus into minus plus 80 into b is 80b plus 2 8s are 60, 160. If you observe the terms here, that 1600 minus 3200 is equal to minus 1600. So minus 1600 plus 160 plus 160 is going to be how much? So 10 minus, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and then 1. So minus 1440, 0 equal to minus 1440 and then plus 80b. Plus 80b. So when you transpose minus 1440 that side, it would be plus 1440. That implies 80b is equal to 1440. So 0, 0 can be cancelled. Okay. Now 8 and 144 can be cancelled definitely. So 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8 because 8 twos are 16, and then 64, 8 eights are 64. Therefore the value of b is equal to 18. It means the value of hypotenuse is going to be 18 centimeters. So this way we can answer this problem. But in fact this problem is given for 1 mark, but it is worth of 2 marks as well as 3 marks also. Fine. So whatever the problem is given, you have looked into 1 mark problems here. Majority of the problems depends upon Pythagoras theorem as well as basic proportionality theorem and its converse as well as similarity criteria. So please be focused on these kind of problems. Definitely you can answer all the problems easily within no pain, right? Hope you understand, enjoy the class. Thank you.